Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of tech information, specifically focusing on the proliferation of connected devices and the rise of edge computing. So, let's get started. The Internet of Things, or IoT, has transformed the way we interact with technology. From smart homes to connected cars, the number of devices connected to the internet is on the rise. But what's even more exciting is the concept of edge computing. Edge computing, also known as distributed computing, is a paradigm shift in how we process and analyze data. Instead of sending all the data to a central server, edge computing allows for processing data closer to the source. This means faster insights and reduced latency, which is crucial for applications like autonomous vehicles and real-time analytics. So, what are the benefits of edge computing? Well, for one, it reduces the burden on central servers, making it more efficient and cost-effective. It also improves data privacy, as sensitive information can be processed locally, and it enables faster responses, as data doesn't have to travel long distances. In summary, the proliferation of connected devices and the rise of edge computing are transforming the way we interact with technology. It's an exciting time to be a part of this tech revolution, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you for joining us on this tech journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.